it's Naomi and Drake, and I wanted to work a problem in the Carnegie Learning System for you guys. This is a word problem from Chapter 3, and it has to do with translating word problems into linear expressions or linear equations. So here we have Cynthia is growing her hair. She had her friend measure her hair using a ruler and found it was 6.3 inches long. She read in an article that the maximum growth rate for hair is about 0.5 inches per month, or it says a month, but that means per month. How long will Cynthia's hair be in 3 months if it grows at the maximum rate and she does not have her hair cut? So first, let me go over here. I'll fill in this little chart I have. Time in months, so the unit is months. The length of her hair in inches, so the unit is inches. Over here we have an expression, and it's an expression for time. I tend to use t. You don't have to. You can use whatever variable you like. And then the length of Cynthia's hair in inches, we have to think about how that relates back, like how we would calculate that using the number of months. But before we do that part, we really can go ahead and calculate it for specific months. So for 3 months, as in this first section, how long would her hair be? Well, it started out at 6.3, and then she adds 0.5 3 times. So plus 0.5, plus 0.5, plus 0.5. But it gets cumbersome just adding a bunch of 0.5. So it's a little easier to just multiply 3 times 0.5. And I can actually just enter it in like that, and the Carnegie Learning System will do the little computation for me. Cynthia is thinking about having her hair trimmed after 8 months. How long will her hair be when she gets it trimmed? So the time there is 8. And then I do the same sort of thing. She started out with her hair 6.3 inches long, and then we added 0.5 8 times. So I would do 8 times 0.5. I think you could do 0.5 times 8 also. Either way would work. And it calculates that for me, and then it says Cynthia would like to donate her hair to a charity that makes wigs for sick children. She needs her hair to be at least 16.3 inches long to do this. How many months will it take for Cynthia's hair to grow to 16.3? So here I have 16.3. I'm given the length of her hair, and I have to think about how many months that would have taken. Well, for this particular problem, the math isn't so bad. 16.3 minus 6.3 gives me 10. So I know it's grown 10 inches since she started. And then 0.5 is half an inch. So it grows half an inch every 1 month. So a whole inch every 2 months. So 2 months for 1 inch would be 20 months for 10 inches. So it's been 20 months right here. And kind of reason through it. I can also write out the expression and then set up an equation to solve. So that's 20. And then I'm going to need to enter an expression here as well. So how did we calculate all these things? Well, we started with our initial value, 6.3, and then we added 0.5 every, times t months. So 0.5 t. If you want to put in parentheses there, that's fine, or t times 0.5, that would be fine too, I'm sure. And I believe there's nothing more to do to this problem. I'm done. That's all there is. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye.